Hi everyone, Carol here from Lalainspired Handmade Crafts. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today I am doing a DIY chalk project with you guys. And I'm going to be using this really cute transfer, Bloom Where You Are Planted. All our transfers are silkscreen transfers, which means they are washable and reusable. So I am loving this project. I'm going to be using yellow chalk paste today. And I'm going to be using an applicator to make sure I put it on the areas that are clear, but I want to show up on my canvas today. This canvas is 8 by 10 and I did hand paint it beforehand. So right now I'm just using the method of up and down and across and just peel to reveal. No weeding. Is that amazing? Okay, so now this process that I'm doing, that's called defuzzing, because all our transfers are really super sticky. So you want to make sure you defuzz them before you apply them on any surface so that it's not stuck on. So now I'm just going to be using white chalk paste for this part, and I want these flowers to show up only, so I'm just going to use chalk paste on that area. All right, and it's the same thing, up and down using the squeegee and across, and then just peel to reveal, guys. Very nice and easy. Then I'm going to repeat the process now and put the flower pattern transfer on the bottom part of my canvas. Now before I do this, I did make sure that the other parts of my canvas are dry before putting the transfer on top of it, because I want to make sure that the sticky part doesn't lift up anything I don't want to. All right, and again, peel to reveal. Very nice and easy, guys. I love it. I think you will love it too. And finally, now I'm gonna defuzz the next part. Now these are the little buds of the flowers, and for this portion I'm gonna put them right on top, make sure that it's on the area I want, and then I'm gonna use this really cool multi-tool. And again, this is gonna be yellow, and you're gonna see how cute and adorable this actually turns out. So I'm just gonna use that for very specific details of the flower. All right, and I am almost done. Just want to make sure I cover everything and that it's going to show up on my canvas. And here it is. Voila! Isn't that pretty? And then now I'm just going to repeat the process. Sorry, I'm just going to repeat the process here on the bottom. But as you can see, this project was, just about 3 minutes. It's so nice and easy. I didn't even rush. I took my time, and it just came out really pretty. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you like this video, please comment below and please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about chalk, please let me know. It's so fun and there's so many wonderful opportunities. Thank you so much for being here. Bye. So pretty. All right, bye. Thank you.